Pre-populating a Boolean field is checked forms. For the life of me, I can't figure out how to pre-populate a Boolean field with forms. I have a field called active. It defaults to being not checked, and it's not required. So I set it up like. Then I have an edit page where I display a form for the question I want to edit. If active is true, I'd like the Boolean field checkbox to have the checked attribute, and if false, not to. But I can't even figure out how to make the checkbox have a check state when rendering the form, let alone the conditional part. The only way I've been able to get it to show up checked is if I add default equals true when defining the form. But that's not what I need. I've tried using default initial value selected while rendering the form with no luck. And I've searched the docs and Google. I think I'm missing something. Smiley face. Update. Here's what my view looks like. Maybe it is the problem.
If you have an object, you can use it to populate your form, like form equals question form, obj equals my_obj. If you only want to set the active attribute, use form equals question form, active equals true.
Snahor's answer helped after much searching, +1. The Google seems weak on this question. I found I needed. Which I have utilized as.
To have the default Boolean value as true, you need to set the default to checked. Basic fields generally represent scalar data types with single values and refer to a single input from the form. Represents an input type is equal to checkbox. Set the checked status by using the default option. Any value for default, e.g. default is equal to checked, puts checked into the HTML element and sets the data to true. Source. A Boolean field defined like.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.